Okay, here we have Toshiba laptop. This is Toshiba Satellite C640 ya. Ya, kita ada Toshiba Satellite C 640 datang dengan tidak mau menyala ya. Datang dengan tidak mau menyala. Saya sudah tes, betul ternyata tidak mau menyala. This Toshiba is cannot be turned on because something wrong with this motherboard. The first thing I will check the short on the inductor. Okay, we check the inductor first in diode mode, ground to ground. Okay. Sorry. Ground to ground. Okay, this is real ground. Okay, this is real. We check this inductor. It's okay. This one. Okay. This one. Yeah, this one okay. This one okay. Yeah, this is ground. Okay. I think here it's okay. I think we have another inductor in the back of the motherboard ya. We will open. Oke, kita akan cek ke bagian sebelah motherboard apakah ada inductor juga. Kita akan buka ya. Laptopnya. Okay. We remove these things. We check here. There is some inductor here. Ya, kita akan periksa inductor di sini ya. Okay, it is good. Sorry. Ya, aman ya, 45 ohm. This is OL, this is capacitor, is okay 14. It's okay 14. Okay. Here. Okay, chipset 10 ohm is okay ya. Next we check the voltage ya. We check the voltage. Okay, we test with the DC connector. Kita pasang DC konektornya. Oke, ayo mas. Oke. Charger plug-in, ground, at the DC connector is 19 ya. DC connector 19 volt, kemudian I think we must remove this wifi card ya. Kita cabut dulu wifi cardnya. Oke. Okay, this is the positive. Okay, this is good. Okay, the fuse is good. This is fuse, I think. Okay, let's see. Yeah, fuse. Yeah, this is the inductor. It's good. Diode. Here too. Push MOSFET. What? Yeah, this is positive. This is the plus one. Okay, we check the voltage. Yeah. I test the voltage without schematic ya. Oke, saya cek tegangan, lagi ngecek apa namanya? Ngecek tegangan tanpa skema ya. Oke, di sini di mana? Oke, kita ke sini ya. Kelihatan enggak? Oke, situ ya. Oke, sini berapa? 19 volt. Oke, 19. This is 19. This is sorry. Okay, this is 19. Okay, here 19. How about here? 19. Here 19. Oh, no. What? 19? No. Here? Yeah, 19. Here? Yeah, 3.4 volt, yeah. This is 3.4 volt. We check the gate. Where is the gate? Here. The gate is only, yeah, nothing, eh? The gate is nothing, eh? Okay. We check the first MOSFET. What happened? We check power short. Okay, here. No short here. No short here. No short. Okay, the second MOSFET. I think here the second MOSFET. this? No, this. The second MOSFET. Where is the second MOSFET? Yeah, here I think. This station. Here. Yeah, this is the second MOSFET. No, the second MOSFET is good. How about the gate? The gate not short. Get to drain. Get to source not short. Okay. It means the 19 volt is not pass through the first MOSFET ya. Jadi ini tegangan utamanya 19 volt tidak melewati MOSFET pertama ya. Okay. Ini MOSFET pertama. Sorry. 19 volt. Sorry. 19. Oh. Sorry. Here. 19. Here. 19. Yeah. The second one is 3.4 volt ya. Ya. Jadi dia nggak nyebrang ya, 19 volt. The 19 volt is not pass through the first MOSFET ya. Okay, we try to replace this MOSFET first before I do something else ya. Okay, we continue working with this Toshiba board. This is the Toshiba C64O. That's coming for no power. The first time I worked with this Toshiba board, I replaced this MOSFET because sorry, yeah, this one, because the 19 volt is not spreading on the board. I haven't replaced this, but still the 19 volt cannot be passed through the MOSFET. So then I check the schematic, the gate for the MOSFET, the first MOSFET is coming for this driver. This is max. This is the max. Sorry. Max 1743 5A. This is the driver is this. So now we work with this board and we will replace this driver with the new one. We will replace with the new one. Let's do it. Okay, we continue work with the Toshiba board C64O. After I replace the Maxim chip is still the 19 volt want to across the MOSFET, the first MOSFET exactly. After around the board, I found one MOSFET is short. This one. This one. This MOSFET is short. I measure with the buzzer is short, but after I put off from the board, the MOSFET is not short. Actually, the board is short. So Now I want to inject the voltage here, this short one. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, this one. No, come on, no, this is not short. Eh? Yeah, no, this is not short. Yeah, no, this is not short. Crazy. Yeah, it is not short. Come on. Okay, I inject voltage here and monitor by under thermal camera. Here, see? Yeah, here. Yeah, see? See? Yeah, see? You see? Yeah. Actually, the Super IO is hot under thermal camera. It means it's short, yeah. It means it's short, yeah. The 19 power is not short. I don't know how it is can be short. Yeah, not short again. But when I inject 19 for here, I inject 19 for here, the the uh, Super IO is short, eh? No, it is not short. Here to the gate. No. Yeah. This is sometimes 3.3. Yeah, it is. But the main problem is the Super IO, yeah. So I stop this video. I will confirm the customer because uh, the cost is not cheap, yeah. So I must confirm to the customer and to 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 rearrange the cost to fix this board, yeah. Because I will stop this video now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. See you in the next video.